Here we have the all-new 2020 Buick Encore GX. And this model comes with a 1.2 liter turbo engine, made it to a CVT transmission. There you have your 18-inch aluminum wheels. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. And there's your trunk space. Passenger seat. Got passive keyless entry. We're gonna see what's under the hood. And there's your 1.2 liter turbo engine. You've got your AM, FM, XM radio along with Bluetooth audio. There's your backup camera. Got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and your Wi-Fi hotspot. You've got single zone climate control along with heated seats. And there you can turn your auto stop on and off, control your lane keep assist or lane departure warning. There's your shifter along with your electronic parking brake. And there's your forward collision alert. You can adjust your gap adjust. And next we're going to take this Encore GX out on the road for a test drive. Not bad pickup for this turbo engine with it only being a 1.2 liter. And as soon as you get behind the wheel of one of these, you can just tell. That's why a lot of people like driving them. They feel light. I'm gonna gas it here. It's very impressive. The CVT, like in the Nissan Altimas and things like that, the CVTs are very sluggish, and when you give them gas, they don't really go anywhere. But with this turbo engine, the CVT actually revs where it's supposed to, and then it's off to the races. Very impressive. Ride quality is decent. Let's see what it has in terms of passing power. It revs hot, but it's there definitely. And wind noise is a bit intrusive, but I mean, it's a Buick Encore, and it's nothing that the radio won't be able to take care of. And I am doing 80, so let me slow down. They're cruising at 70 miles an hour. You still have that wind noise, but it's doable, definitely doable. So far, I'm very pleased with this car, all in all. The ride's good, braking is very good, power is good. I'm actually surprised by that. And one thing that I didn't like about the older Encores was the 6-speed automatic. It was just sluggish. It's very rugged, but this CVT is quite refined. It's not perfect, but like I said, compared to the Nissans I've driven, it's a lot better, and it shifts pretty quickly. Yeah, pickup with the turbo is very good in this car. And there's a 1.3 liter turbo available that I'm going to test drive shortly. And I'm just going to compare how the 1.2 performs compared to the 1.3. And like I said, I'm very surprised by this 1.2. The ride is surprisingly smooth as I come down this back road. I'm not being moved even though the road dips here. And for a car that's this inexpensive and this, you know, it rides this high, it's very good. And even with these cloth leatherette seats, I'm quite comfortable. And one thing I like about the ride is I just went over a big bump, and it's not at all bouncy. It's just stiff enough to be comfortable. I think Buick's gonna have pretty good sale projections with this, just because it's just a nice, sleek looking ride. It accelerates when you want to. It gets 30 miles a gallon. And they're just good cars. But that's my review of the 2020 Buick Encore GX.